Making the front bed, first we remove the table. Next we remove the seat base cushion from the rear travel seat. Next we release the slide bolt below the window, and we release the strap on the end of the bed box. We slide out the bed box, we fold over the flap, and we lower the leg on the bed box for support. We can now refit the table on the end of the bed box. We adjust the table to make it level. We refit the seat base cushion upside down on the travel seat. And we start to place the infill cushions onto the bed box frame. Bed completed.